What's up, guys? We're in the shop again doing an install video on the 2019 Canam Defender XMR Max, and today we're installing LED headlights, high and low beam, and these are Beamtech LED headlight kit. I got them on Amazon, and I will put the link to these lights in the description. So anyhow, we're going to show you, we're going to take it from looking like this. You can stay back. And hopefully they're going to be even brighter. But anyhow, so I'll show you how to do it. Very simple. These are plug and play. You can see here, here, come here, I'll show them. But by the way, we got Mr. Jake here tonight that's helping us video. We thank Jake for being here tonight.
No problem.
Anyhow, if you look under here, you just take and grab and twist your lights out. Let's get a light so everybody can see what's going on. There we go. So maybe y'all can see I ain't cleaned it up really well, but you just take your stock lights, twist them, and they pull right out. Alright guys, so you're going to take your light once you twist it out of the housing, and you're going to take your little screwdriver, and let's see if you can see, you focus good there, get it where you can see there. Take your screwdriver. You want to take it on the side and flip that tab up, and I can't do it while holding this light. I'll flip this tab up on each side. Got a lot of spectators in the shop tonight. You just pull that out. We'll save them for a rainy day. You take your new lights, and there's no way to go wrong. These are plug and play. They plug right in, and that's it. So you want to take your new light, twist it in the housing. Alright guys, we got the passenger side installed. We're going to show you the difference. Flip it on. Definitely a big difference. Oh man, super bright. Anyways, these are good quality. The watertight seal going into the housing, as well as the watertight seal in the plug, works great. It does matter which way you plug them in. You just try it one way. If that don't work, unplug it and flip it around, plug it up the other way, and they'll come on. So don't freak out if you turn it on and they don't work. Just flip your plug around. Anyhow, we're going to do the same thing to the driver's side, and like I said, very easy to do. You can do this yourself. Jake, our camera guy, had to roll out. He ain't our camera guy, he was just helping us video a little bit. But Jake is the man, and he loves riding with us, and we love him riding with us. Anyhow, let's finish this dude up. We gotta go to work tomorrow. Alright guys, we got him installed on both sides, driver and passenger. Oh yeah, we're throwing some good light now. Yeah, wow. That's insanely bright. Looks really good. Love the wider color. It matches my LED pods. Looks a lot better. I like it. Real easy, very simple install, guys. That is the Beamtech LED headlight kit. It comes in pairs. You just order 2 sets for your Defender. Like I said, I'll put the link in my description on this video. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Subscribe to follow a bunch of our builds, as well as a lot of good riding footage and comparison videos and tire reviews, all kinds of good stuff. We got Hondas, we got Can-Ams, we got Polarises, we got Kawasaki's. Well, one Kawasaki. What else we got? Do we have a Yamaha? We got some, yeah, we got a couple little Yamahas. And anyways, we're sure to cover something that you like. So subscribe, guys. We'd love to have you along for our the journey. So comment, guys. We'd love to hear from you. Ask us some questions. We'll try our best to answer them. And we just are a few guys and our families that love to ride. We love doing power sports together. We have a good time doing it. We enjoy working on stuff, and they like to play too much too. Anyways, we love doing this, guys, and we hope that you enjoy our videos. We want to do videos that y'all will enjoy and that are helpful. And anyhow, subscribe and join us for the ride, guys. We'll see you out there.
Hey, how